Do you need a tree removed, or maybe you just need some large branches removed? There's no realistic way for an average homeowner to safely remove a large tree from his or her property. You definitely don't want to attempt this type of job yourself. Or even worse, call someone to do it that's not properly trained or experienced. This could cause serious damage to your tree, or even worse, your property. You need to make sure you call a trained professional that's experienced in tree health and removal. Just give us a call and we'll provide you a free estimate. We're licensed and insured, and we'll make sure the job gets done right. And more importantly, we make sure the job gets done safely. So give us a call at the number listed below for your free estimate.